spoon go? Where's your spoon? Did you use your spoon for your breakfast? I don't see it. I thought you were going to use your spoon. No, you weren't going to use it? Well, where'd it go? Where'd that spoon go?
5 times as many per capita compared with Britain or Spain.
Did you want some more cereal, or are you all finished? You want some more? Could you tell Mama more? I'd like some more. Oh, you're just gonna play with the cup. Yeah. Do you have cereal in your hair? Is there cereal in your hair, Stanley?
The tough on crime policies became the new normal across the country, changing how we think about it. But with many these days questioning both the effectiveness and the cost of sentencing.
Oop, there goes your cup. Now your cup and your spoon are gone. Are you all done with breakfast? Can you say, all finished? Yeah, all finished. Thank you.